In this video, I will show you how to fix duplicate contacts on your Android phone without any stress, just like what you see right here. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and access from the contact section right here. You can do this from your Google account straight up, or better still, you can do this from your contact folder right here. Go ahead and open up contacts. So having opened up contact is going to take you to organize right here. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and simply navigate to match and fix right here. And then it's going to load up to this page right here. So it depends on the number of duplicate messages or contacts you have on your Android phone that will show the number right here. Go ahead and open up it and you have all duplicate contacts right here. All you have to do is to simply click on match all, and this is going to pump up. Then go ahead and hit on OK. So merging contacts. Just allow everything to be merged successfully. And you are done. Nothing to fix right now. Then you can simply go back right now, and it's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.